channel. So this is the last day for underrated coaches in NFL history. My first two I did were Joe Gibbs and Bud Grant. So if you haven't seen those two, go check them out. And this last week, this last day, I'm gonna be doing Tom Landry. If you don't know who he is, a lot of people don't. He coached for the Cowboys back in the 70s when Don Shula and Bud Grant coached. That's why I think he's the most underrated coach in NFL history. This is why, because Don Shula and Bud Grant were coaching when he coached for the Cowboys, and Don Shula and Bud Grant are so big names two big names in the NFL. Tom Landry isn't as much. So I think that if he would have coached in a different time when Don Shula and Bud Grant weren't coaching, he wouldn't be so underrated, because he's like almost as good as Don Shula and right up there with Bud Grant. But he's not as big as a name, and I think he might even be better than Bud Grant. Not as good as Don Shula. Still, he got so looked past because of those two, and I think that he just deserves more credit for what he did for the Cowboys. And he also gets looked past because the Cowboys had so many good players on their team, like throughout their whole history, like Emmitt Smith, Roger Staubach, Troy Aikman, and you can go for a while. They had so many players that did so good, and I think Tom Landry would be like the best out of players and coaches in Cowboys history. But so many people look at Emmitt Smith and Staubach and Aikman and look past Landry. So I think he deserves a lot more credit than he got for the Cowboys, because he led the Cowboys to lots of stuff. So I'm going to talk about some of his stats. He had like 250 wins in his career. That's second most, of course, right behind Don Shula, the winningest coach in the NFL history, which will probably stand forever, except maybe Bill Belichick. But anyway, and he had 20 playoff wins. That is the most in NFL history. But 19 by Don Shula and 18 by Bill Belichick, and Bill Belichick is still present, so might get broken. But still. And he had 18 playoff appearances. Second most, just behind Don Shula at 19. And his win percentage for the playoffs was actually pretty good. Unlike Bud Grant, who had under 500, Tom Landry did pretty good in the playoffs. So, and his win percentage throughout his career was over 600, which is great. Great win percentage for him. And like I said before, the stuff that makes people look past him is just ridiculous. Because you could look past Bud Grant, too. You could look past Don Shula. Tom Landry is right up there, and you need to recognize him more. And the Cowboys players, I don't even think they're as good as Tom Landry made this team. He emphasized the team more. He made them better, made them a bigger team. And Emmitt Smith and like Troy Aikman, Roger Staubach just helped the team to go to Super Bowls. This guy made the team pretty much to go, and like was coaching the whole thing and made the team just to go. They were just players, and they helped the team go. Their coach is there's one coach, one head coach out there, not just one player. So I think that's why Tom Landry gets looked past so much, though. And I think we need to appreciate him more. And so that's going to wrap up this video. This was the last one for coaches. I'll have a video coming out tomorrow saying what I'm going to do for the next week. And I will see you guys next time.